circle.
Web3, about Web3, presented our group number 16. Next slide, please. And this is our group member who started this Web3 project. Next slide, bro. After this presentation, you will realize, as I mentioned below, about Web3 and where is Web3 and how will it work and how is data stored in Web3 and the benefit of Web3 every. Next slide, bro. Okay, what is Web3? Web3, also known as Web 3.0 and sometimes styled as Web3, is an idea for a new iteration of the World Wide Web based on blockchain technology, which incorporate concepts such as decentralization and token-based economic. Some technology and journalists have contrasted it with Web 2.0, wherein they say data and contents are centralized in a small group of company, sometimes referred as a big tech. Next slide, bro. Okay, as we compare like Web 1, 2, and 3. Okay, well, what is Web 1? Basically, the first version of the web consisted of a few people creating web pages and content, and is for a large group of readers, allowing them to access fast information and content from the sources. People use the Web 1 to describe the earliest form of the internet. Users saw the first example of a worldwide network that hinted at future digital communication and information sharing potential. For example, as a following are the example Web 1. There are business web pages, HTML, e-commerce website, and Java and JavaScript. Take a real-world dictionary, digitize everything in it, and make it accessible to people online to look at, but not be able to react to it. Boom, that is Web 1. Okay, what is Web 2? Web 2 present from 2006 to nowadays. They still use Web 2.0. If Web 1 was made up of a small number of people generating content for a larger audience, then Web 2.0 is many people creating even more content for a growing audience. Web 1 focus on reading, and then Web 2 is focused on participating and contributing. As the following other example of Web 2, social media, like people now they use social media like Facebook, Twitter, and something such like that social media, and user generated content, and it can access by mobile and high quality camera and video application, monetization your data, and you can communicate with higher speeds, and it can access by global audience. As I mentioned about Web3, it is built for the future and next coming events. For example, the Web3 like semantic web, the apps, and user monetize their data. Um, People are in nowadays, NFTs are so popular as any future technology like VR and AR, and people can use permissionless blockchain and artificial intelligence. People now they use robotics and robotic technology, a any other like interoperability technology. Next person, please.
So how does Web3 work? Like any emerging technology, it's still being refined. For access to the decentralized world, people will only need a seed. This will be a single asset which enable interaction with apps and other services. Individually, once they use a web browser to access the internet, and visually it will be Web2 user-friendly. Next. When you use a platform like Facebook or YouTube, your data is collected. owned, and monetized by these companies. In Web3, your data is stored on your crypto wallet. You engage with apps and communities on Web3 throughout your wallet. And you'll take your data with you when you log off. Technically, since you own this data, you will also be able to decide if you want to monetize it. Next, please. Like data ownership, privacy is built into your wallet. On Web3, your wallet is your identity, which isn't easily linked to your real identity. So while someone might be able to see the activity of someone's wallet, they won't know that it's your wallet. My personal information is hidden, but my activities are public. Next. In Web3, apps will be run by decentralized autonomous organizations. This means that instead of a central administration that makes all the decisions are made by users who possess a governance token, which can be obtained by participating in these decentralized app or app key or by purchasing them. I hand presentation to another person.
I'm going to explain about the how data is stored in Web 3.0. In Web 3.0, storage rely on the decentralized storage to store your file for free on the network. Decentralized storage is a technique for storing data that instead of traditional server, which use a distributed network with many participants, providing storage capacity. Next slide. In Web 2.0, we use Google Drive, Amazon Web Service, and Dropbox for the storage. And in Web 3.0, we use Filecoin. And in Web 2.0, we use Chrome browser. In Web 3.0, we use a Brave browser. In Web 2.0, we use paper and the bank for the transaction. For Web 3.0, we use MetaMask, Rodin, and Trust Wallet. Apple and Android Windows are the operating system from Web 2.0. In Web 3.0, we use Ethereum and EOS system. Here is the example of Web 3.0 data storage. Filecoin is one of the popular Web 3.0 data storage coin. And what is Filecoin? Filecoin is a decentralized storage network that let anyone rent out storage space. In the same way, anyone can buy storage on the network. Instead of having to trust only one company with important data, it can be split up and stored on different computers around the world.
So here it will be the benefit of the Web3. Well, let's take a look around at all the online service and platform we use on a daily basis. We enter our personal information on different platforms to obtain access to different services. Additionally, we create content such as pictures or videos and share them online on Facebook and Instagram. And it means all this, we must have assumed that our personal information in an Amazon account or the photo in our Facebook profile are secure and in our best control. However, this is not the case that as centralized authorities like Facebook, Google, and Amazon monetize user data in different ways. The Web3 advantage by design will ensure that end user would have complete control over the data by their own. User will share information controlling their preference. So Web3 might provide the benefit of upcoming monopoly over user data by the tech giants. Next slide, please. So in the picture, we can see that the interconnectivity aspect of Web3 and the server as a vital foundation of a notable Web 3.0 advantage. Web3 will largely involve the creation of an connected ecosystem that allow interoperability and similar access to information. User can access any type of information from any location with any device. Web3 could ensure that you can connect to the internet even without using your computer or smartphone. Next slide, please. And here in the internet, we can see the image about the more importance of the user. Basically, it is targeted to the encounter that the barrier of income, gender, sexual orientations, social status, or geographical location to access digital service. Last but not least, we can say that the arrival of the Web3 has signaled a promising opportunity for all content creators. For that reason, the content creator can get the actual value for their work owing to the intermediaries in different channels for reaching their audience. Next slide, please. So that's all for the Web3 and the information. So thank you for your attention.